Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for an old post you made on Facebook. Let's say we are in 2024 and you made a post somewhere in 2022 and you want to search for that post on your profile. Let's see how you can go about it. So open your Facebook and go to your profile. Tap on your account name and scroll to where you normally type your text. So at the right side over there you see full text. Tap on it. Then this window will pop up at the lower part of your screen. So the first one says go to. That's where you select the date, or let me say the year. So you tap on the drop down arrow over there and you have this calendar on your screen. So this is showing today's date. And if you look at the dates in the blue bar over there, the year is at the top, 2024. Tap on that particular 2024 and then you see the list of years over there. So let's say I want to search for a post I made in 2022. So I'll select 2022. Now, if I have the month I made the post in mind, I'll use these arrows over here to change the month. Then I go ahead and tap on OK. Now, after this, just go ahead and tap on Done at the bottom here. Then you see that your profile has been refreshed. So when you look at the post I made over here, this is a post I made in 2022, that's September 15th, but it's currently not available. When you look at this one too, it was posted on September 7, 2022. So you could see that all the posts over here are posts from the year I searched. So instead of going through your profile, trying to scroll all the way to maybe somewhere you want to find your post, you can just follow this step and you are good to go. Thank you for watching.